Hi guys, so today we're using some of that wallpaper. There we go, here's a faux candle that we made. This wallpaper I used to make my tray on my last video. So we're going to use this cornmeal, empty cornmeal container. The biggest one was an oatmeal container. And what I'm doing is taking spackling and I'm going to cover in that little space that's in between the container and the lid. I didn't do this on the first one and I wish I did. It just makes it look cleaner. So I cut down the wallpaper, smaller size so it's easier to work with. Add in some Aleene's tacky glue. And we're going to roll it on the wallpaper. This is actually a really easy project. I had a lot of fun making it. I hope you guys enjoy it and give this video a big thumbs up. Now I am going to overlap my piece a little bit, but actually you really can't tell that bad when I'm done. You'll see. I didn't want a huge overlapping, but I did overlap a little bit. So we're just going to wrap it. Yeah, this wallpaper I found at the thrift store Monday, and I absolutely love it. So we're taking some sheepskin acrylic paint, and we're going to go over the entire piece. I really love that sheepskin color. It's like a really light tan. It's very pretty. Very clean. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I got to head to work this Saturday and Sunday, but other than that, we're not doing anything. So now the whole piece is done, even the lid. Now I'm taking my little screwdriver, I'm going to poke a hole, and that's where our wick will be. Now I've had wicks and I've had wax for a long time. I used to make candles. So I'm just cutting a piece off. I will put these in the description box though, because I got them off Amazon. And just so you know, this don't work, okay? I ended up using hot glue to get my wick to stay. And it worked much better. Not super glue. Much quicker. So this is my Rust-Oleum glitter, and we're going to go over the entire piece with that. You don't have to worry about inside where the wick is because that's where the wax will be. So you don't have to worry about that if you have this or choose to do this. I mean, honestly, you probably don't even have to paint it, but yeah, I just thought about that. That's okay. Yep, I dropped it. See, it is a really pretty shimmer. I know it's hard to see. Now we're taking some of this wax I had. This came off Amazon. I will put that and the wicks in the description box. It's an organic soy wax. So this is that fake snow that a lot of us use for Christmas. So what I'm doing is layering it. I'm going to put some of that snow in, put some wax in, and I keep going back and forth until I get, how much I want. Because, once you heat that wax up, it's going to kind of shrink down a little bit. So you put in it however much you want in your lid. Now I'm taking my heat gun, heat tool, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to melt that wax. Now I don't leave my heat gun on one spot like crazy long because I didn't want to risk burning my wax. So I tried to move it around as much as possible. And we're just going to melt that wax real good. And that fly was getting on my nerves, y'all. And I even put a little wax on around the rim, and I let it melt and drip down the side of my piece. So it gives a real, I don't know, I guess more realistic candle look to it. Now please don't burn these because obviously we are still dealing with paper here. You don't want to, see how I got the wax on the edges? You don't want to burn your house down. I just lit my wick real quick and then blew it right back out to get that look like it's been used. You know what I mean? But these are not real candles, so don't be doing that. Don't be lighting them for long periods. And here we go. I think these came out so pretty. I hope you guys love it. Maybe give it a try. Let me know down in comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all the support and being here. Bye, y'all.